चलिए अब हम शुरू करेंगे अपना फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम ऑफ चैप्टर 3 एक्सरसाइज 3.1 and in this first problem they are asking us to form the pair of linear equations form. Okay, one thing. Next we need to find the solutions using graphical method. Done. So if you look at the first problem, 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. This is the question. And in the question they said that there are boys and girls. So that is the reason we are assuming that the number of girls is equals to x and number of boys is equals to y. And they said that especially total number of students are 10. It means x plus y is equals to 10. And they also given another clue. The difference between girls and boys is equals to 4. It means x minus y is equals to 4. So that is what we have written here on the screen. So now the first part, what is that? Form the pair of linear equation is the first part of the question. We have formed. Now what is the second part? Find the solutions. Find their solutions. So let us now find the solutions of this pair of linear equations. Now using this first equation, if you transpose x to the right side, you can write y is equals to 10 minus x. Similarly, using second equation, you can write y is equals to x minus 4. Now we are going to use these y values to plot the graph. See, if you look at the screen, this is equation 1. From this, y is equals to 10 minus x. In place of x, if you substitute, you will get y value 6. Similarly, in place of x, if you substitute 6, you will get 4. So 4 comma 6, 6 comma 4 are the coordinates of the first equation. Similarly, when you substitute 4 and 6 here, you will get 0 and 2 for equation 2. Now we need to plot the graph. See here, for first equation, what are the coordinates? 4 comma 6. So 4 comma 6. For similarly, second point 6 comma 4. So this is 6 comma 4. So this blue color line is of equation 1. And similarly, this orange color line is of equation 2. It means x minus y is equals to 4. Now these two lines are intersecting at this point. So what is this point? 7 and 3. These are the coordinates. So x-axis is showing 7 means this is x value. It means we assumed x is nothing but number of girls. So from this graph we can say that the number of girls is equals to 7 because it is the value of x, and the number of boys is equals to 3 because it is the value of y coordinate. Hope you got good clarity on the problem which we have discussed now. If yes, next problem you please try on your own before watching the video. Hope you will try. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.